What's up, YouTube? Ray here from Punisher Lemans Garage. Behind me, we got the Punisher car. It's back in black and looking sexy. Now we need to get it finished and make it run. So the other day I got some exhaust tubing. Let me show you guys. So this is a 3-inch mandrel bent stainless steel exhaust kit I got off of Amazon. And then I got this nice stainless steel straight through muffler for like 68 bucks. It's really nice. And then I got some V-bands. So probably sometime this week we're going to be building a full turbo back stainless steel exhaust setup. Alright, so here's the exhaust, 3-inch stainless steel, nice mandrel bends, all came off of Amazon. Gonna weld this thing up, take it home, put it on the car. I ordered some band clamps. They should be here tomorrow. There you have it. All right, there it is. I just got it hung up there for now. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put some exhaust hangers on it. But hey, it looks good. It's super quiet. I like it.